Hello guys, in this video I'm sharing my experience of making $1 million on YouTube. On this channel I'm sharing all my statistics, my strategies, so we can grow together and we can figure out the YouTube business. So we are at 0.052%, we just passed $500 in revenue. This is day 47, our expenditures are here, our investments and our AdSense revenue. As you can see, $523. That makes our profit $358. Our investments are the same as it was yesterday, just this microphone that I'm using right now and our Ripple investment, which was $72. Now, this is the top comment of the day still. This viewer suggested us to invest in crypto. Now, if you have any ideas, strategies, tips, or questions, you can leave them in the comments and we are going to implement them in the next video. Now let's jump into the YouTube studio to see how our channel was doing yesterday. So this is the YouTube studio. As you can see right now we have 2082 subscribers. Let's see our last 28 days how our channel was doing. As you can see, most of the statistics are green, so it means that these statistics are better than they were in the last 28 days. So, I mean, the previous 28 days. As you can see, the views are higher by 28,000. The watch time is also more than usual by 332, and our subscriber count grew by 314 in the last 28 days, which is 34 more than usual. As you can see at our estimated revenue tab, we can't really see any comparisons because we just got monetized a little bit more than 28 days. That's why we cannot compare it to the previous period. So let's see our real-time statistics. So these are our most popular videos in the last 48 hours. As you can see, these videos, the Terra, the first video is about the Terra Luna cryptocurrency, and this video was blowing up in the last few days because the cryptocurrency just crashed, so everyone is looking for ways how to get rid of it, how to sell it. Unfortunately, the price of this crypto is almost at zero, and a few months ago it was $150. So just imagine how much money did some people lose. So that's unfortunate. So these are some of our other popular videos. Let's see some revenue statistics, which videos are generating more money. So as you can see, here are our estimated revenue. It's $309 for the last 28 days. But if I go to 90 days, as you can see, this is the short period that we have been monetized, and our total revenue is 523, as I mentioned in the previous slides. Our RPM is around $4.3, which is pretty good in my opinion, regarding the fact that our videos are mostly short videos. Right now we are working on providing more longer form videos and a little bit more in-depth reviews so we can increase our RPM. So let's see a few videos, which videos are generating more money than usual. Obviously, as I mentioned, the Terra coin is on the top because it generated the most views, and because it is a crypto currency, it has a little bit higher RPM as well. As we all know, financial topics, economical topics, bank related topics, and even tech in some cases generate a higher RPM, which means that those videos receive more money than others for the same viewership. So yeah, this one was the first with $14 in the last 28 days. Obviously those $40 were coming from like just 3 or 4 days, because before that this video wasn't that popular. The second one is about Revolut, which is a financial app, some more cryptocurrencies and financial apps. Most of our most profitable videos are around financial topics, except this one, the it's about Facebook, how you can connect your Facebook account to TikTok. This has a very low RPM, around $1, but it receives a lot of views. So that's why it is on the top here, on the top of the list. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing and see you in the next one. Bye bye.